To set navigation bar style to button on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap navigation bar. And then select button thumbnail. When you choose this style, now you can navigate your phone with the buttons on the navigation bar. There are 3 buttons. Back button on the right side that you can use to go to the preview screen. Home button on the middle that you can use to go to the home screen. And recent button on the left side that you can use to go to the recent app screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.